Hey guys, Monday morning, January 23rd. We rolled over on the 18th down into the 19th. Failed retest of the low on the 20th. Got the rally back coming into the 22nd here. Still got downward pressure. We're below the minus 10 line uh, all week going forward. So we've got this green line bottom coming in today, this afternoon, about 3:15 or so. Coincides with the bottom on the blue line. Then we start trekking back up through the 25th. We peak 5:19 a.m. and then again in the evening, just after midnight, just below the minus 10 level. So we don't get up above minus 12 this week. That still implies negative pressure. Then we turn down and we're down into Friday. The blue line is contained inside the plus 10, minus 10 all week, so we don't get any big spikes outside those levels. The biggest spikes that come to the 10 lines are on the 24th here at about 2048, and then early on the 25th, about 214, and then again 2220 on the evening of the 25th. So that's what the Astro Excel viewpoint for the week looks like. Down pressure into late this afternoon, bottom out up until the 25th, about 5 a.m. Then again, double topping there at the 2300 area, then down Thursday, Friday.